Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 BMW X1. This BMW is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 100,114 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this 2017 BMW X1. Used, yet meticulously maintained. Low mileage, sleek inside and out. Make the ultimate driving adventure yours. Adventurous just got affordable. This pre-owned X1 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this BMW X1 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, head-up display. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive headlights, ABS brakes, active safety system, daytime running light, adaptive driving beam. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.